What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something insane. I'm going to show you, yes you, how to make actual money online without spending a single penny. That's right, $0. Forget everything you've heard about needing a huge investment or some crazy complicated setup. We're talking real methods, for real people, starting with absolutely nothing. This is the ultimate guide, so buckle up, because your bank account is not ready for what's about to happen. Now, you've probably seen a million videos talking about making money online. They'll tell you about dropshipping, which, let's be honest, can cost a fortune in ads. Or they'll push crypto trading, where you can lose your shirt faster than I can give away a Tesla. Then there's affiliate marketing, which sounds great, but building that audience takes forever if you don't have startup cash for promotion. These methods are cool, but they often need money or a ton of time up front. But what if I told you there's another way? A way to start earning with literally no financial risk. Today, I'm blowing the lid off two powerful strategies that anyone, anywhere, can use to start generating income online for free. We're not talking about survey sites that pay you pennies. We're talking about building actual, sustainable online income streams. I've done the research, I've seen what works, and I'm giving you the entire playbook. So if you're ready to change your financial future without opening your wallet, you are in the right place. Let's go! Alright, first up, we're diving into the world of ebooks. Now, before you click off thinking, I'm not a writer, or that sounds like way too much work, hear me out. We're living in the future, people. We have AI tools that can do almost all the heavy lifting for you. This isn't about spending months hunched over a keyboard. This is about leveraging technology to create a valuable asset that can make you money while you sleep. And the best part? It costs nothing to get started. Think about it. An ebook is a digital product. No shipping costs, no inventory, just pure profit once it's created. And the market is huge. People are constantly looking for information, entertainment, and solutions to their problems. Your ebook could be the answer they're searching for. We're talking about creating something once and selling it over and over and over again. That's the power of digital assets, my friends. And you're about to learn how to tap into it. So, what's the first step? Niche selection. This is crucial. You want to pick a topic that you're either passionate about or that you know is profitable. Or even better, both. Think about what people are searching for. How to guides, self-help, specific hobbies, niche fiction genres, the possibilities are endless. Do a little research, see what's selling, and find your angle. Don't just pick something random. A well-chosen niche is half the battle won. Once you have your niche, it's time to unleash the AI. ChatGPT is going to be your new best friend. You can use it to brainstorm ideas, create an outline for your ebook, and even help you write the content itself. Seriously, you can give it a prompt like, write a chapter outline for an ebook on Beginner's Guide to Indoor Gardening, and it will spit out gold. This isn't about AI writing the entire book for you without any input, but it's an incredibly powerful assistant. Now, AI isn't perfect. The content it generates will need your human touch. That's where Grammarly comes in. This tool is a lifesaver for catching spelling mistakes, grammar errors, and awkward phrasing. They have a free version that is more than enough to get you started. Run all your AI-generated text and your own writing through Grammarly to make it polished and professional. Nobody wants to buy an ebook riddled with errors, so this step is non-negotiable. Next up, making your ebook look good. Presentation matters, even for digital products. This is where a tool like Gamma.app can be super helpful. It uses AI to help you create beautifully formatted documents and presentations, which can easily be adapted for ebooks. Think of it as your AI-powered designer, helping you with layouts, fonts, and making your content easy and enjoyable to read. A well-formatted ebook looks more valuable. And what about the cover? People do judge a book by its cover, especially online. This is where Canva shines. Canva is a free graphic design tool that is incredibly user-friendly. They have thousands of templates, stock photos, and design elements you can use to create a stunning, professional-looking ebook cover in minutes. No graphic design skills? No problem. Canva makes it easy for anyone to look like a pro. A killer cover will grab attention and boost your sales. Okay, so you've got your niche, your AI-assisted content, it's proofread, beautifully formatted, and has an amazing cover. Now what? It's time to sell it. And guess what? There are platforms where you can do this for free. Gumroad and Payhip are fantastic options. They are super easy to set up, you can list your ebook in minutes, and they only take a small percentage when you make a sale. So, no upfront fees. Gumroad, for example, is incredibly popular with creators. You just upload your PDF, set your price, write a compelling description, which, by the way, ChatGPT can help you write, and you get a shareable link. You can promote this link anywhere, on social media and forums, to your email list if you have one. It's a direct-to-consumer platform, giving you a lot of control and a good profit margin. PayHip is very similar to Gumroad. It also offers a free plan where they only charge a transaction fee when you make a sale. It's another excellent choice for beginners because of its simplicity and no upfront costs. You can host your ebook, handle payments, and deliver the digital file automatically to your customers. It's all about making the process as smooth as possible for both you and your buyers. Alright, method number 2 for making bank online without spending a dime is starting a YouTube channel, specifically focusing on YouTube Shorts. I know, YouTube. Mr. Beast, that sounds like it needs expensive cameras, crazy editing software, and years to grow. Nope, not with Shorts. This is a whole new ballgame, and the barrier to entry is practically non-existent. You literally have a production studio in your pocket, your smartphone. YouTube Shorts are short-form vertical videos similar to TikToks or Instagram Reels. They are designed for quick, engaging content, and YouTube is pushing them hard right now. That means massive organic reach potential. You can get hundreds, thousands, even millions of views without an existing subscriber base if your content is good. This is your chance to go viral without spending a penny on promotion. First things first, just like with ebooks, you need a niche. What are you going to make shorts about? Profitable niches often include personal finance, tech tutorials or reviews, quick recipes, life hacks, motivational content, educational snippets, or even short, funny skits. The key is to choose something you're interested in and that has an audience. Think about what people scroll for on their phones. Understanding a few key metrics will help you even with shorts. CPM, cost per meal, means how much advertisers pay per 1,000 views. Some niches have higher CPMs than others. CTR, click-through rate, is the percentage of people who click on your short when they see it in their feed. A good title and an engaging first few seconds are crucial for this. And retention is how long people watch your short. The longer they watch, the better YouTube thinks your content is. Now let's talk about the free tools you'll use. For video editing, CapCut is your absolute best friend. It's a free app for both mobile and desktop, and it's incredibly powerful and easy to use. You can cut clips, add text, trending sounds, effects, captions, everything you need to make your shorts pop. Seriously, many top creators use CapCut for their short-form content. For thumbnails, though less critical for shorts as they are often auto-played, good custom ones can help if they appear in search or suggestions. And any channel art, Canva is back to save the day. Just like for ebook covers, you can use Canva's free version to create amazing-looking graphics for your YouTube channel. A professional-looking channel, even for shorts, builds trust. Need some B-roll footage or images occasionally? Pexels and Pixabay offer vast libraries of free stock photos and videos. While shorts are best when they're original and feature you or your unique content, sometimes a stock clip can enhance your storytelling. Just make sure to check the licensing, but most are free for commercial use. And guess who's back to help with ideas, titles, and descriptions? Our AI buddy ChatGPT. Stuck on what shorts to make? Ask ChatGPT for 10 YouTube Shorts ideas for your niche channel. Need a catchy title? ChatGPT can help. Want a keyword-rich description? You guessed it. It's like having a free content strategy assistant. Finally, YouTube Studio is your command center. It's free, obviously, and it's where you'll upload your shorts, track your analytics, views, watch time, audience retention, and see how your channel is growing. Understanding your analytics is key to figuring out what's working and what's not, so you can make more of what your audience loves. So what's the content creation process for shorts? It's fast. First, idea generation. Look at trends, but also think about evergreen content that will be relevant for a long time. Your goal is to provide value or entertainment in under 60 seconds. Keep a running list of ideas on your phone. Next, scripting. For shorts, this might just be a few bullet points or even just a clear idea in your head. You don't need a word-for-word script for most shorts. Authenticity and energy often work best. Just know what you want to say or show. Filming is super simple. Use your smartphone. Make sure you film vertically. Good lighting helps. Natural light from a window is free and looks great. And try to have clear audio. You don't need a fancy microphone to start. Your phone's built-in mic can be surprisingly good if you're in a quiet environment. Then, editing in CapCut. This is where the magic happens. Add text overlays as many people watch shorts with the sound off. Alright guys, that is a wrap, we just covered.